Hi guys, my name is Skylar. Welcome to my 2025 Christmas haul. I'm so excited to share what I got with you guys. I of course wanted to add a disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag in any way. I just wanted to share with you guys because I personally love watching Christmas hauls, so let's get into the video. Like almost every haul, I'm gonna start off with what I got from my sister. This very gorgeous In Vogue book, Breezy Pants from Aloe. They're just so light and airy, and I live in Florida, so it's perfect for the weather here. This duck umbrella. We saw it at a store in November, and I was like, oh my god, I want one so bad. And then she completely surprised me with this, so I'll insert a clip of me opening it because I was so excited for it. Next are some gifts from my aunt. She got me a bunch of things from Ouai, Melrose Place perfume I've been wanting for 2 or 3 years now, so I finally have it. The Vacation Discovery set. I actually really wanted this and I had no idea I was getting it. It's the new fragrances that are coming soon. Dry shampoo and the deodorant in Melrose Place. I'm gonna be smelling like Melrose Place 24/7. The Double Shot blow dryer brush, which I've been wanting for a very long time as well. She is very gorgeous to me. I've never had a blowout brush, so this is gonna be fun. And then I've seen this shirt. It has gone viral. I think it was like Sabrina Carpenter and a few other celebrities are wearing this brand, Cuckoo Intimates. My aunt got me this gorgeous shirt from there that I've really been wanting. I love it and I'm literally gonna wear it this weekend. This came with the Cuckoo Intimates shirt. The packaging of it was so cute. Like when I opened it, I was like, let me take a picture. By Adina Eden, these little gold hoops. This is from my parents, which is the most insane gift of the haul for sure. So I got a new phone for Christmas. Since I've started my YouTube, I wanted to get the nice zoom, so I got the 17 Pro Max and I'm so happy and the most grateful for this. My mom got me Versace glasses. Been needing my new prescription for a while. They're very cute. I love them and they're just perfect. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for the most insane gifts of the haul. This one's from my best friend. Very cute Vogue shoe book. I'm so excited to stack up my Vogue books. Very aesthetic for the room. I also got the Lemmy Deep Blow gummies, which I've already gone into. I love these. They're so good. And then my friend Kylie, who never doesn't eat with the packaging. And inside of the box, a jelly cat. My only jelly cat of this Christmas, and I've contemplated buying this for myself so many times and I never bought it, but now I have it. This is the Bashful Red Love Heart Bunny. So cute. I'm putting it on my bed immediately. She also got me this very extremely gorgeous matcha bowl and all the stuff to make matcha. Little tea towel. The sifter. Thank you so much, Queen. These gifts are from my boyfriend. First gift is the Relaxed Jeans in Cream, and what I love about these jeans so much is the embroidered detail on the back. It says Jerf Avenue with a little heart on the pocket. This dress from Anthropologie. This super cute little dress. A little picture of us, which I thought was super sweet and thoughtful. A photo printer, which I can't wait to use. I love taking pictures. It's my obsession. I've actually really wanted to start scrapbooking this year, and my boyfriend's parents got me this beis bag. This is the Crescent Catch-All, the perfect bag for traveling. And go along with that is this little kit from Beis as well, a passport and luggage tag set. I always wanted a passport cover and this is just so gorgeous to me. From my boyfriend's mom, this very amazing sweater from Anthropologie. I love this color so much. It's definitely one of my favorite shades of pink. My friend Ashley got me this very cute cup with little bows on it, which I'm excited to use for my matcha. And then a little hand sanitizer, and I already ate them up, but she also got me Dubai chocolate. It was so good. This is from my boyfriend's sister. She got me a lot of stuff, like oh my god, I can't even believe it. I love her so much. Aloe sports bra. I have it in white, black, burgundy, tan, like, so this is perfect to my edition and I just love the color so much. It's so beautiful. Ashley Tisdale's brand, she got me the Lavender Cloud, the perfume, and then also the Milky Body Lotion. This very cute sweater with a little bow on it. She also got me the Starface patches, Touchland Vanilla Blossom. Anytime I get these, I'm so excited, like you guys don't understand. lemon lavender hot stuff neck wrap, which is perfect because I have been so stressed lately, so this is a great gift. Smart Sweets, which are my favorite candy. They're so good. If you haven't tried this brand, you need to. My parents also got me some lottery scratch-offs as well. My aunt got me this very gorgeous teapot with the butterflies on it and then a little tea plate. My coworker got me an Ulta gift card. I usually get all my makeup from there, so this is perfect. This gift is actually from myself. It's an honorable mention, the Coach Brooklyn bag. I had a bunch of gift cards to Nordstrom and they actually had this on sale. I was in shock, but I was like, okay, I'm buying it. So it was basically free and she's just so beautiful. Thank you so much to everyone who got me something. I am so beyond grateful. These are such beautiful, amazing gifts, so thank you all. I love you guys and I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next video.